Alright, here with the captain of the Calabar team. First of all, tell me about that performance. How do you feel about the game?
I think it was a good performance at all. We never played to the coach's instruction. So we get the defeat today.
I have one question though. I saw that a lot of the players, including you, went down. I want to know what was that injury and what are the injuries in the camp?
Well, most of the players here at camp. So, for me, I took the goal and I took the goal kick. I've been kind of growing injury from the pre-season coming up to the upcoming game, and then I don't know. I just put my foot through the ball, and I just felt my groin and I just went down instantly.
Right. The coach didn't take you off. No. Do you know why didn't he take you off?
No, I said I'm going to stay out there and fight for my team. I'm this captain. I have to lead from in front and try and help my team. So I decided to just stay in the goal and smash the play.
The last couple of goals and in the latter part of the game, we could see you making a couple of mistakes. Was that due to the injury? And how will you make that up to your team?
Well, when I go back in the dressing room, I have to talk to the guys and say, it's one of those days. Everybody gonna make a mistake in the game. I'm not 100% right now, and I stayed out there and tried to push it for my team. And I'm sorry about that.
All right, thank you, Skip.